Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel TNArt. I hope you all are well. So let's start this project today. So the items that you need for this project are very simple. I am using the resin that I bought from TEMU, and these are fusible film. They are available from Etsy. I will link them in my description. They are really fun and you can create so much out of them. And this is the mold that I was kindly sent by BB Craft, and I will link every detail in my description. So this is I got set of 2 shell molds, so I'm working with this one. So what I did here is I simply mixed the resin. It's 1 to 1, and I poured the resin halfway. It's clear resin. I haven't added anything to it. So what I'm doing is the fusible film that I showed you earlier, I just cut it into the shape of this shell, as you can see, and now I'm inserting it into the mold. So first I did it with my hands, and now I'm using this dotting tool just to simply, very carefully, I need to insert it because I don't want to introduce any air bubbles. I really want to make it bubble free and transparent, glass like as much as I can. And one of the good reason is that it's almost summertime and resin is quite friendly in summertime with bubbles. It do mix easily, but just be careful, don't mix a lot of resin that you can get them flash cure. So this is actually a low viscosity resin, the one that I bought from TEMU. So it's I did pour it in one go. So now I'm adding the rest of the resin, and now I will leave it to cure. So this is the next day and it's all been cured up, and I am demolding it. So let's see how it turned out. I'm super again excited. So everything about resin is excitement. It's like your inner child comes out, and if you have the positive results. So I'm demolding it and I can see the beauty, how beautiful it turned out. It's like a glass shell with this fusible film. I really love it. I haven't done anything, just added the resin and that fusible film, that's it. And I got such a beautiful shell out of the mold. It's really a statement piece if you put it together. So I'm thinking of adding some crystals. Please do let me know in comments that if this is a right decision or I just leave it like that. So let's see how it turned out. So this is the final look of the shell, and yeah, there is nothing so simple and so easy. I'm just in love with it. So I hope you like it, and if you did, please do let me know in comments, and also I will link all the details of this BB Craft website in my description. They have a lot of variety of jewelry items, molds, and a lot of so many products. So, and there is a discount code as well. So like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please considering do so, and take good care of yourself. And again, thank you so much for the love you show me and the help and feedback and so many positive comments. Take good care of yourself. Bye bye.